What if one company could have a stake in thousands of the biggest businesses on Earth without actually owning them? It sounds like a conspiracy, but the reality is even more interesting because there is a financial giant.
What if you could create a cinematic historical documentary like this using AI? No camera, no actors, no expensive equipment, and you can do most of the work with free tools. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact process I use to create a complete historical documentary. From choosing the topic to writing the script, creating the visuals, generating the voiceover, and finally editing everything together. And don't worry, you don't need to know how to write documentary scripts or create complicated prompts. I already have a master prompt prepared for you that will handle most of the work. Before we start, let me quickly show you something. There are already channels getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views with historical content covering wars, empires, kings, mysteries, ancient civilizations, and forgotten events. For example, this channel has over 13.5 thousand subscribers with just 21 videos. Another one has grown to over 74.1 thousand subscribers with only 14 videos. Now, I'm not showing you this to say that AI automatically guarantees views. It doesn't. But it does show that there is an audience for this type of content. And if you're creating faith-based content, you can also use this same documentary style for Bible stories, biblical history, Christian history, and other stories that educate and inspire people. Now, let me show you how to create one. Step 1. Choose your topic. First, open ChatGPT. Now, remember the master prompt I mentioned earlier? I've already prepared it for you. You can find the link in the description. Open the document, copy master prompt 1, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then click Generate. You don't need to sit down and think of the topics yourself. The prompt will automatically generate around 50 documentary topic ideas for you. Now, go through the list carefully. Don't just choose any topic. Look for one that immediately creates curiosity. I would actually click on this. For this tutorial, I'm going with the company that quietly owns everything. Once you've selected your topic, copy it. Then paste it back into the same ChatGPT conversation. ChatGPT will then ask you for the video duration. For this example, I'm choosing 5 minutes. You can choose the duration that works for your own project. Once you submit that, ChatGPT will generate the complete documentary script for you. And that's it. We now have our story. Create the scene prompts. Now that our script is ready, we need to create the visuals. Go back to the document containing the master prompts and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will now break the script down into detailed scene prompts. Each prompt is designed to match the corresponding part of the narration. So instead of wondering what should appear on screen for every part of the script, you already have a visual guide for the documentary. Once all the scene image prompts are ready, copy scene 1. Step 2. Create the images in Flow. Now open Flow AI and create a new project. Make sure you're on image. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9, then paste the prompt and click Generate. While that image is generating, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second scene prompt. Come back to Flow, paste the second prompt, and generate it. You can continue using this method to generate all your images instead of waiting for one image to finish before starting another. This process saves time. Once all the images are ready, we're going to animate them. Step 3. Animate the images. Now go back to the document containing the universal prompt for video animation. Copy the entire prompt. Instead of creating a separate video prompt for every image, this one universal prompt will work for the images we're going to animate. Go back to Flow. Make sure your setting is on the video model. Select Omni Flash, set the duration to 6 seconds, then click the plus button to upload your first image. Paste in the universal animation prompt, and click Generate. While that video is generating, upload your second image, paste in the same prompt, and generate again. Continue this process until you finish generating your video clips. But I still have another method you can use. Go back and copy the fourth prompt, which is the last prompt. This time, instead of uploading one image, upload 2 images and paste in the prompt. Extend the duration to 10 seconds. Then click Generate and wait for the result. And here we have our video ready. You can follow this process to animate up to 6 images if you're using a free Flow account. I think this method is more economical and faster. However, the choice is all yours. Step 4. Generate the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and copy our documentary script. Then open 11 Labs. Once it's open, make sure you're on text-to-speech. Search for a good voice. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Brian voice.
And the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Paste your script into 11 Labs and click Generate. 11 Labs gives you 10,000
reality is
free
even more
credits,
interesting.
so you can use those to generate your voiceover. Once it's ready, download the voiceover to your device. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Finally, open CapCut. Import all the video clips and your voiceover. Place the voiceover first on the timeline. Then place your video clips and make sure they match the voiceover. If a clip doesn't match the narration, you can speed it up or slow it down until everything syncs properly. Once everything is properly aligned, review your video from beginning to end. And when you're satisfied with the result, export your video. Before I play the final result, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.
What if one company could have a stake in thousands of the biggest businesses on Earth without actually owning them? It sounds like a conspiracy, but the reality is even more interesting. Because there is a financial giant that manages more money than the annual economic output of most countries. Its name is BlackRock. And by 2026, BlackRock says it manages about $15.3 trillion in assets for clients around the world. But here's the part most people misunderstand. BlackRock doesn't simply own $15 trillion worth of companies. It manages that money on behalf of investors. And that distinction reveals how one of the most powerful forces in modern capitalism actually works. Introduction.